Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to maths class. We know that October 15th onwards we are having SA1 examination. What is given syllabus in SA1 examination, children? First, four chapters. Okay, so now today onwards we will start revision classes. Okay, so first, what is the name of our first chapter, children? Lines and shapes. Okay, so now in this class we are going to learn about lines. So we know that three types of lines. What are they? In your PP1 and PP2 you learnt letters and numbers based on the lines like standing line, sleeping line and slanting line low. When coming to this mathematics, we are just changed the names of the lines only. So now we are having three types of lines. What are they? Okay, children, have to observe horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Okay, horizontal, vertical, and slanting line. We are having three types of lines. Okay, children. So now you have to observe. This is horizontal line or straight line, slanting line, children. This is horizontal line. If we join these dots to get horizontal line. Next, this is vertical line. Okay, this is vertical line. Here the lines slides down. Okay, here the lines slides down. So these are called slanting lines. Okay. Next, look around your classroom to spot horizontal, vertical, slanting lines. Share them with your teacher. Yes, in our classrooms we are observing the many straight lines. Like for example, in edges we are observing these straight lines, and in benches are having both horizontal lines and vertical lines. Am I correct or not? Yes. Next, hands-on activity. Play a game with your teacher. Match the lines with the way your boy is shown in each picture. Which line it is, children? It is horizontal line. You have to observe which one is stands horizontally. So here this boy stands vertically, and this is slanting path. So this is the correct. So you have to match with this one. Next, here this is slanting line. So here this boy stand in slanting path. You have to match this one. Next, here this boy stands horizontally. You have to match to this. Match like this. Now everyone open companion page number 1. Okay, we know that already we learnt what are closed shapes and what are open shapes. So what are closed shapes, children? The shapes will be closed. It is called closed shape. So here observe which one of the following are closed shape. Here the shape is totally closed. So this is closed shape. So here tick the shapes that are closed. So you have to tick. Is this closed shape, children? It is totally closed. No. So this is not a closed. This is also closed shape. This one also closed shape. Yes, remaining are open shapes. Next, name the shapes. You learnt already in the previous classes these four shapes. So what are they? So first one it is circle. Okay, circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Okay, circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Choose the correct option to fill the blanks. I make closed shape. All my four sides are equal to each other. Who am I? So this is closed shape and all four sides are equal. Which shape has four sides are equal? Obviously square. So square, in square all four sides are equal. So tick the option square. Next, second one. I am a closed shape with four sides. Two of my sides are longer and equal, and other two are shorter and equal. Who am I? So this shape is having four sides. So which one are having four sides? Square and rectangle having only four sides. But in square all sides are equal. So that means this is not a square. So once you have to observe here, two of my sides are longer and equal. Okay, so here two of my sides. Here these two sides are longer and equal. These two sides are shorter and equal. So answer is rectangle. You have to tick rectangle. I'm a closed shape. I don't have any sides. Who am I? I'm a closed shape. I don't have no side. Tell me the answer, children. Circle. I have three sides and closed shape. Who am I? Triangle is having three sides. So tick the triangle. Next we have to draw the as per the instructions. Color the bubble with the number of sides or each shape have. Okay children, these are main important. You have to know the shapes, name of the shapes and sides of the shape. This is very important. So first one is circle. You have to color the bubble with number of sides that each shape have. Circle having any sides, children? It is formed by curved lines. Circle is don't have any sides. So that means 0. You have to color 0. Next. Here which shape it is? Rectangle. Rectangle having how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So rectangle having 4 sides. So how to identify the sides? You have to count the number of straight lines. It is formed by 4 straight lines. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So rectangle having 4 sides. Next triangle 1, 2, 3. So triangle having 3 sides. You have to color a. Okay children, so how to draw the straight lines? We have to use pencil to draw straight line perfectly, children. No, we did not draw the straight line with using of just pencil. You have to take ruler and draw the straight line very easily. Okay, you have to use ruler. Ruler means scale. You have, it may not be easy to draw a straight line from one point to another point, only a pencil. So how we draw a straight lines? We use a ruler to draw straight lines. Okay, what is the instrument to draw straight lines, children? You have to use scale to draw straight lines. Okay, here some points are given in the box below. Choose any 2 points and connect them using a ruler. You have to take scale and join any 2 points. For example, like this 2 or like this 2. Draw as many straight lines as you can. You have to draw as many straight lines as possible to draw in this box. And using a ruler to join the dots to connect the pair of objects. Okay, here football and here one girl is there and one boy is there. No, you have to connect this pair of object with using of straight lines. Okay children, so now, so okay children, so everyone once revise chapter 1 1.1 to 1.8. Okay, I think, are you clear? So everyone revise chapter 1 1.1 to 1.8. So we will discuss remaining in the next class. Thank you children, have a nice day.